Alright, I just got done opening up another box of 2012 Press Pass Racing. Once again, there are 30 packs per box with at least one memorabilia card per box on average. Here are the more notable cards I pulled out. Start off with a Mike Wallace parallel numbered to 35. My memorabilia card was of Kurt Busch. It was Burning Rubber Race Used Tire, numbered 3 of 25. But the biggest hit of the box would be this Kyle Busch 1 of 1 magenta press plate that is autographed. That's pretty cool looking. Overall, it was a pretty good box. Thanks for watching.